Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and today let's look through Barcelona Cult Recipes by Stephan Mitsch. It looks so cool. I've never been to Barcelona or Spain. I would love to. This came out in 2019. Murdoch Books. Let's check out the table of contents. Tapas, main dishes, desserts, drinks, basics, and addresses. So far, I'm loving the photography. It starts off saying, "There is no paradise, God lives here." Some pictures of the city so we can learn about it. Wow, it's a lot of laundry. All right, they start off with tapas. Oh, yes, right off the bat, croquettes, one of my favorites. And you can make them vegetarian. And they have a bechamel sauce. There's several different kinds of croquettes, including with chorizo, with mushrooms, with chicken, with cecina and leeks, whatever that is, with spinach. Here's the famous pan con tomate, bread grilled and rubbed with tomatoes. This is meatballs with peas. Okay, I'm loving the photography. Pickled anchovies. Woo! This is prawns in garlic sauce. My boyfriend would die happy. Here's a Russian salad. What makes it a Russian salad? The ingredients are waxy potatoes, green beans, peas cooked, carrots, tomato, homemade mayonnaise. Wow, that looks really good. The mayonnaise probably makes it Russian because every time I've taken a Russian cooking class, we are doing lots of stuff with mayonnaise. Here's patatas bravas. As a vegetarian going to tapas restaurants, I end up eating a lot of those, and I'm not complaining. Stuffed potato balls. Yum. Okay, I can't show you every picture, but these all look so good. Deep fried padron chiles. Okay, I've got to get to another chapter because I can't just show you the entire book. That would not be fair to the author. But look, it's pureed bacalao, whatever that is. Whoa. Okay. Vegetable salad. Wait, artichoke chips? That's a thing? I did not know that. That's amazing. Baked lettuce hearts. Grilled bread with tomato paste. Okay, I gotta keep going. Okay, broad bean parcels. What? That's gotta be meat, right? What's going on? A sea urchin flan. This is incredible. This cookbook is amazing. More sea urchin foam. That's above my pay grade. I can't do that. Artichoke cream soup. Yum. Yum. Curried artichoke cream soup. And some info on tapas bars. And creamed cannellini beans. Wow. Sounds good. Chilled herb soup. Patatas al pobre. Poor man's potatoes. I love this cookbook. Here's coca. Savory flatbreads. Wow. Am I in another chapter yet? Fried eggs on samfaina. What is samfaina? Here's a potato tortilla. Yum. I basically want to eat everything. A wild asparagus tortilla. Grandma's tortilla. Salad. Okay, let's get to another. Artichokes and potatoes in white wine. That sounds a little French inspired, but I'm sure it's Spanish. Baked artichokes. They use a lot of artichokes. Artichoke and potato gratin. Stuffed eggplants. We're about halfway through the book. Baked eggplants with torta del Caesar. Catalan broad beans. I need to not be such a lazy cook. I want to make everything. Chickpeas with clams. Okay, I wouldn't make that because I'm vegetarian. Chickpea stew with chorizo. I would use fake chorizo. Beans with botifarra. Fried eggs with Caesar's mushrooms. A mushroom ravioli. Yum. It's getting a little Italian. Monkfish a la marinara. Wow. Baked bacalao. I don't know what bacalao is. Baked sea bass, fisherman style. I'm clearly in some other chapter now. Grilled red mullet. Those of you that eat seafood are probably dying over that picture. Norway lobster with avocado cream. It's definitely a modern cookbook. Fried cockles. Clams in a borage stock. Let's keep going. Prawns in romesco sauce. Very colorful. Seafood paella. You knew we were going to have some paella recipes. Black rice with squid. No, thank you. I'll take the black rice. Prawns and fennel on rice. What a beautiful presentation. This is stunning. Keep going. Partridge in escabeche. I don't know a lot of people that eat partridge right now. Stuffed roast chicken. Chicken with seafood. Pork loin with eggs. Pig's trotters. Rabbit with snails or red pine mushrooms. Rabbit on rice. Let's try and get to the desserts. Here's flan de huevos, egg custard. Cream cheese with honey, yum. St. John's cake, oh, that's pretty. Plum sorbet. Hey, I have plum trees in my backyard. Mandarin sorbet, very refreshing. Watermelon sorbet with basil, very healthy desserts. And now we're into some drinks. Cava sangria, yum. And the basics. That is incredible. Barcelona Cult Recipes. Let me know what you thought of this in the comments below. I am astounded, and I'm going to turn off the camera and go look through it more carefully and more slowly. And wow, now I'm hungry for tapas. Thanks for watching this cookbook look through, review, and preview. You can see more of them at Cookbook Divas on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We also have a podcast and a blog. Check it out.